What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter von Panda. I thought I would check out another minimalist wallet. Oh, the top's a little loose on this little tin. NUBARKO, and it comes in like an Altoid size tin. They are very minimalist. You know, I'm really kind of intrigued by these types of wallets because they are pretty small and they seem to do the job. And I wouldn't say they're high on style, but if we're kind of getting beyond the stage where whipping out a nice Italian leather wallet or something like that is important to you, these kind of take, the wallet to a new utilitarian level. So this one is pretty similar to some of the other ones I've shown you, but it's very, very minimalist. And obviously it's all fabric. What we have here is a really strong elastic, and there's kind of one main band. I will show you my business card right here. It's just a little bit smaller than that, so it should create good tension even if you only have one card in there. Basically, they're meant for business card or credit card size things. We have a pleather, which is to say a fake leather strap that goes the other way. Now I want to show you here, it kind of goes all the way in, which kind of creates the pocket. You can see it kind of works like a loincloth. But what we have at the bottom here is this little nylon tag with a little pleather tag on the end. So if I put things in this, and this is sitting up, right, I can actually use this to pull like the cards up. So for example, I'm going to take, say you have a lot of business cards, some credit cards, all that. You don't have to worry about it with elastic because the nice thing is it will conform to whatever you're using. Oops, everything's falling apart on me here. So I'm going to take these, and probably the hardest part about this here is that I've got to kind of center that tab as it's going in, which is getting everything in here the first time is probably not the easiest thing in the world because you got to stretch it a little bit, but there we go. I'm going to do it on camera. I'm not going to rob you of that moment. We're going to share that moment together. And now you can see it's pushing that little strap all the way down. So instead of pushing it from the bottom, which you absolutely can do, just like that, I always feel like that's pretty easy. You can also grab this little tag right here and pull this up, and that will kind of also deploy the cards. Although I would actually say, to be honest, it's probably just as easy to push this up. Now, one of the things that I've kind of complained about on these is that, oh, do I have to put my cash in here? There's no like money clip. Boom, look at this. There's several dollars here. That's how I roll. And there's nothing underneath here, so you can't get anything in there. But what I've kind of noticed here is that on the underside, you have basically two additional pockets, you know, as this little loincloth strap kind of holds all your main stuff. You get like the advantage of two side pockets. So you can definitely do it this way. And what I like about this, as opposed to some of the metal ones, is that it's soft, so you'll get more gentle curves. It won't maybe be as pronounced in your pocket. It won't wear on the cloth or, you know, your jeans or whatever in a way that like those metal carbon fiber ones might. So this is kind of nice. Now, I will tell you that I probably will not use this because I like the ones with the clip where I can grab the cash pretty easily. But what I probably will actually use this for is to carry a bunch of business cards with me. I'll just use it as a business card holder because as I hand out business cards, you know, whether I'm left with one at the end of the day, it'll still hold it nice and secure, as opposed to like the metal business card holders that I used to use will only hold like 15 cards, and then, you know, you're done. So this will hold more, and it'll also, you know, compress and contract to a much smaller size when I've got them all handed out. So I will use this, but not as I think they intended. So if you want to pick this up, I'll put a link to it in the description below. Peter von Panda out.